Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of updating your full name on the Walmart app. Whether you've changed your name or wish to correct it, first, open the Walmart app on your phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom right. Then, go to Contact Info and Password. After that, next to your current full name, tap on the Edit button. This will allow you to modify your name. Now enter your new full name in the provided fields. Finally, tap on the Save button to confirm your changes. Your updated name will now be reflected in your Walmart account. Updating your name on the Walmart app is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is current. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.